I suppose since I'm going up there, I could put my RP stickers on the wings of that plane. Rusty Acres was here a while back. He thought I would put a couple RP stickers on the wings. Decoration. I didn't think it was a bad idea. We didn't get around to it. We got busy with, I don't know, kayaking and boating and fishing, going down to the lake, stuff. Got busy with stuff. So I could do that in honor of my buddy, Rusty Acres. I got leftover stickers. I didn't give them all away. I gave away lots of them. Give them all away. Remember it's up here in the private stash. Give me some. Got some out over here in the private stash. There's one right here. We'll pull this one off. Hole in that wing right there. A good place to put one. Right there. It says I can fix that. I can fix that hole in my wing. Right there. Hole door. Pretty good. And pretty slick. He thought of that on his own. Now that I see it, I think it's right here. Turns out you are good for something after all. What's my hot? I've probably got a few other things I need to do today on top of what I started here. So maybe I ought to go do some of that. No, I got something in the backyard that needs to be cleaned up. Some lawnmowers and some tractors and trailers and some dirt. Needs to be moved around. Things like that. Y'all see me good from up here? Oh boy. We got to get that one equal distance from the tip of the plane. We get that other. Well, maintain the structural integrity of the sign. It's all wrinkled that all up. That's okay though. It's just YouTube, it ain't real life. Maybe I'll leave that air conditioning run a while I go around and clean up that mess I got in the backyard. That way we can come back later. I suppose if I wanted to get real high technical, I could put me a thermostat, a thermometer. I could put a thermometer. I think I got some little seal things, stuff I can put on that air conditioner too to seal it up. I got this, and I got some of this. That looks like it might be some good sticky-sided foam. Let's see what we can do with this. Cheers. Well, I don't think that did me any good. Save that. I think like this foam stuff, though. Some of that up on there. Maybe solid or something. Wow. That sticks to my fingers really good. I'll never get that off. I'm so sure that was a good idea. Look at that. I got now hairy fingertips now. Dang. if we're going to use any more of that. Or she says. Okay, I'm gonna go wander around the house. Maybe I can take y'all with me. We can talk about another project that I ain't got time to work on. Yeah. I need to oil up this sticky door. I dug some holes out front the other day to plant some bushes and wound up with some extra dirt. Honey Baby done bought a little swimming pool. It's a kiddie pool, but our neighbor's got one and she likes hers. It's only 30 inches deep, 10 feet around. But what you need for the kiddie pool is a level spot. And in order to make a level spot, I've either got to dig out some dirt or add some dirt. Since I just happen to have a bunch of dirt from planting those plants, I just thought I'd dump it right there. And that could be the start of what I'm going to do to make a level spot. And it can sit there and get rained on. It won't matter because it's just dirt. In fact, rain would wash all the dirt off the rocks and stuff. So I'm going to dump that trailer there. I'm going to take that mower around and put it in the shed because we're leaving in the morning and go camping. Got that old TV antenna over here. I'll pick that up. I'll leave that in blocks in that level right where they're at because that sort of gives me a guide as to where we're going to put the pool and how we need to, what we need to level up to make it fit. And I'll just do that. And then after that, let's see what's happening. We'll see what's going on here around the Peak Place after that.